This is the 20 pack of FireCreek Snacks Hickory Smoked Sweet Heat Barbecue Beef Sticks. Company sent me this product to check it out so I can make a video for it, so let's do it. First up, FireCreek Snacks are made right here in the USA. Very important to me for a number of reasons, especially that they're made with American beef and pork and real ingredients. Secondly, I realize that taste is subjective, but being a gas station snack connoisseur of many years, to me this is a massive upgrade to the grab and go stuff that I've gotten used to over the years. Now this is just me, but I usually find myself eating beef sticks in the car and on the way to wherever I'm going, which is usually golf. Great to throw a few of these in the golf bag for a round, by the way. Maybe it's just me, but there's nothing more annoying than not being able to open a package while I'm driving or I'm sitting at a light and then having to work on it to get it opened up enough to eat the thing. The packing on these is just fantastic. None of that peel the plastic back stuff. You just grab it and tear. Super easy to open. Teeth test. We got to do the teeth test. Driving the car. Look at that. Easy. So they come in 4 different flavors. You got the original, the spicy, the teriyaki, and the sweet heat barbecue. And I've been working my way through this 20 pack of sweet heat barbecue for about a week now. I'm super impressed with the taste and flavor of these. When I take a bite, fast forward through the chewing. When I take a bite, I immediately notice that I'm eating a fresh beef stick. Not hard or tough to chew at all. Immediately I can taste the hickory hardwood smoke flavor. Then comes the sweetness. And lastly, the spicy part kicks in right at the end. And it's not an overpowering spicy, but it lets you know that it's there. Each stick has 110 calories, 7 grams of protein, no MSG, no mystery meat, no weird stuff, no artificial junk, soy-free and gluten-free. So there you go, great tasting grab-and-go beef stick made in the USA with American products. Perfect size to fit anywhere from your golf bag, your gym bag, your backpack, your lunchbox, your glove box, your desk drawer, your pocket, wherever you want. Very nice.